Hi, my name is James Gervais, and I'm from LaserStar Technologies. We're going to take a couple of minutes to talk about LaserStar's very popular and industry-proven 7601 FiberStar workstation systems and the enhancement capability that we've added to the systems in 2022, which is the Motion Effects CNC, XYZ, and rotary capabilities, which are now fully integrated and built into the laser welding chamber. The FiberStar welding systems were revolutionary for many industries, including medical device, battery welding applications, aerospace, automotive electronic components, the welding of complex alloys, etc. The benefits of the fiber laser source: it was an air-cooled, completely sealed laser system available in 150 or 300 watts, and it gave the user the opportunity to produce extremely consistent welds with a pulse stability of plus or minus less than 1%. This is an air-cooled, maintenance-free laser device which allows the operators to dial in a variety of power settings and spot sizes as small as 30 microns. For many years, LaserStar's customers had been asking us to integrate a 2, 3, or 4 axis motion system into the welding enclosure. And for many years we offered a solution where you could purchase it separately and install it right into the machine. But over time we recognized there was a lot of benefits to an integrated solution, which not only gave the user the opportunity to control and manage the motion, but also start to take advantage of some of LaserStar's new Motion Effects software capabilities, which also provided teach mode, a CNC environment, or a manual welding environment. For high dollar value item precision parts, this was a critical aspect to take the machine to the next level. So let's do a little deeper dive first on the laser system, and then we'll touch on the motion. Once again, the laser source itself is a completely sealed fiber laser delivery system that will provide an upwards of 80,000 hours of operation. That's many, many years. The motion system is an XYZ, theta, or rotary package that's integrated in that provides the operator with the ability to manage the motion through a joystick controlled device and or utilizing the Motion Effects programmable software, where users can benefit from establishing a welding routine through a teach mode capability or programming it in G-code or a combination of the two. The following illustrations will show you the movement capabilities and the tolerances and the open space that's available in the chamber to hold your fixturing or your unique parts, and the ability to load and unload them easily in a production environment. For those applications where the motion is not required and you want to operate in a traditional manual welding mode, you do have the ability to move the motion to the bottom of the chamber and have full access to the enclosure. Manual mode enables the operator to put their hands in the chamber, hold the parts with full freedom of movement, and perform the welding by triggering the foot pedal. So in summary, LaserStar's highly popular FiberStar workstation, which has more than 300 installations worldwide, is an excellent solution for a wide range of users in many different industries. For more information on the 761 Motion Effects workstations, please don't hesitate to contact LaserStar or click on the QR code that you see here on the screen.